Hello and welcome to another NetApp Cloud video. In this video, we're going to show you how easy it is to set up disaster recovery to the public cloud for your data with NetApp Cloud ONTAP. Now, in order to replicate to the cloud, we need to have some sort of networking connection to our cloud. This will be done either by setting up a VPN between your data center and the AWS VPC, or leveraging something like AWS's Direct Connect connections. These can be set up by going to your AWS Management Console and clicking on either the VPC or the Direct Connect connections, and using the excellent AWS wizards for setting things up. If you're setting things up for the first time, AWS also has a lot of great online documentation to help understand what's involved. Since I already have a connection between my data center and my AWS network, let me show you how easy it is to set up a disaster recovery relationship. To do so, I've logged into my OnCommand Cloud Manager system that I have deployed in my AWS VPC. Here I can see that I actually have a Cloud ONTAP system already deployed called Cloud ONTAP DR1. If you want to deploy your own system, we have some videos that help walk you through that, or you can just click on the Add Environment link up in the upper left-hand corner and select a Cloud ONTAP system. Instead of deploying a new Cloud ONTAP system, I actually want to discover my physical system in Cloud Manager. So I'll just click on Discover, click on Add a Existing System, provide my cluster management information, and identify where it lives on premises. Click Continue. It discovers the host name. I'll give it a description. And just like that, Cloud Manager is discovering my system. Now that we see our physical cluster, I can either double click on it to access the resources or click on the resources link, but we really just want to quickly establish our DR connection. So in this case, I'm going to click and drag my source system to my destination system. Here I can see I have 4 logical interfaces, one for each node of my physical cluster to do the data transport. And I can see all of the volumes on our physical cluster. In order to help me, I'm going to use the filter to find my volume. Here it is, and confirm the details. I'll go and click on Continue. I can provide it a destination name, and I can also pick some advanced options. In this case, I'm just going to continue and select the policy, either a direct mirror of what's on my source system, or maybe if I'm using this for backup or archive, we're doing a mirror, and select the schedule which we want to use. In this case, I want to do it every day at midnight. I'll go ahead and select this one and confirm. Information for our source system, information for our destination system, and just a confirmation that I understand Cloud Manager will allocate any additional AWS resources if necessary. And click on Go. And under the covers, Cloud Manager has started our replication relationship. It usually only takes about a minute or so for the SnapMirror relationship to be in place. Transfer of the underlying data could take a little while depending upon the size, and you can check on that in the replication status. I'm just going to look at the resources on our Cloud ONTAP system. I can see that our SQL01 DR copy is there, and that's great. That's exactly what we expected. And also, since I'm going to be using this Cloud ONTAP system only as a DR destination, I can turn it off when I don't need it. I can either just go to the menu and select Turn Off Cloud ONTAP, or I can just click on the schedule and identify when it should be turned off or turned on. And this way I can actually have it on only for the time of when my SnapMirror is updating. I like this because it saves me on my hourly AWS charges and makes my disaster recovery configuration much more cost effective. And that's it. That's all there is to it to set up disaster recovery for our data to the cloud with NetApp Cloud ONTAP. The other benefits here are that you're taking full advantage of NetApp's storage efficiencies, enterprise-class data management, and seamless integration with on-premises storage. That's all we wanted to show you for this video. If you'd like to find out more information for Cloud ONTAP and Cloud Manager, please check out the other videos in our YouTube playlist. We hope you found this helpful, and have a great day.